5 amazing vegetarian protein foods better than eggs. Protein is crucial for increasing muscle mass and muscle repair. When you consume protein, your body's metabolism increases, helping you burn fat. Protein is the most filling macronutrient, and adequate intake leads to glowing skin, strong hair, and a lower risk of arthritis. When we think of protein-rich foods, the first thing that comes to mind is eggs. With 6 grams of protein per egg, they seem promising. However, commercial eggs are often not as healthy as they should be. Modern studies have shown that eggs from hens living in adverse conditions are significantly lower in nutrition. Additionally, hens are frequently injected with antibiotics to prevent illness, leading to a large population in the US becoming resistant to antibiotics. So, let's talk about 5 vegetarian protein foods that are better than eggs. 1. Urad dal, black gram. Just 1 cup of urad dal provides 15 grams of protein. Besides being high in protein, it is also rich in 3 vital micronutrients: magnesium, manganese, and zinc. Magnesium relaxes muscles, manganese provides strength, and zinc boosts testosterone. In Ayurveda, black urad dal is called mash, which means it helps build muscle. Though urad dal is heavy to digest, adding asafoetida, hing, and bay leaves, tej pata, during preparation helps it absorb easily. Alternatively, green mung dal offers 14 grams of protein and is easier to digest, making it suitable for both children and adults. You can enjoy it as regular dal, sprouts, pancakes, chila, or halwa. Just 1 cup of either black urad dal or green mung dal with 2 chapatis gives you more protein than 3 eggs. Studies show that consuming more than 1 egg a day increases the risk of diabetes by 23%, whereas daily consumption of lentils reduces the risk of diabetes by 20%. Traditional kitchens have always valued this fiber-rich protein food, including varieties like moth beans, matki, horse gram, kulthi, kidney beans, rajma, and chickpeas, chal. 2. Roasted chickpeas, buna chana. 100 grams of roasted chickpeas contains a whopping 22 grams of protein. Being roasted, they are free from anti-nutrients that hinder protein absorption. Modern studies have recognized that the quality of their protein is superior to other plant proteins. No wonder athletes swear by this superfood. Instead of snacking on unhealthy chips, try munching on roasted chickpeas. You can spice them up by making a chaat. Ensure you consume roasted chickpeas with the skin to get maximum fiber. Powdered roasted chickpeas, known as sattu, is a famous drink in some cultures known for its easy absorbability of protein. 1 scoop of sattu has 7 grams of protein and is packed with iron, calcium, magnesium, and folate. You can use sattu as a filling for stuffed bread, parathas. Make pancakes, chilas, from it, or enjoy a refreshing drink. With a low glycemic index and being 100% natural, this is the real protein powder you should opt for. 3. Milk. A single glass of milk provides 8 grams of quality protein. Milk is also rich in vitamin D, B12, CLA, and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a vegetarian alternative to non-vegetarian food. A glass of milk with a scoop of sattu, sweetened with a banana, can be your post-workout shake. Studies have demonstrated that drinking milk after a workout decreases muscle damage, promotes muscle repair, increases strength, and reduces muscle soreness. Milk is highly versatile. Squeeze a lemon into it to make paneer, cottage cheese, which has around 20 grams of protein per 100 grams. Yogurt provides 7 grams of protein per cup. Ethically sourced milk and milk products are rich in protein and protein enablers that help build lean muscle mass and reduce body fat. 4. Green peas. Green peas are one of the rare vegetables that are not only high in protein but also a complete source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Scientific studies show that green peas are at par with whey protein. In 2015, a study involving 161 males divided into 3 groups, pea protein, whey protein, and placebo, concluded that muscle growth in the pea protein group was equal to that in the whey protein group. 1 cup of green peas provides 9 grams of quality protein and helps reduce blood sugar levels. Green peas are versatile and can be combined with various vegetables like potatoes, cauliflower, carrots, or added to rice dishes. Imagine pea and paneer curry, matar paneer. One serving will easily provide 25 grams of protein. According to Ayurveda, green peas are ideal for lunch due to their gassy nature, although they can also be consumed at dinner. 5. Peanuts. Comparing peanuts with almonds, cashews, or walnuts, peanuts have the highest amount of protein. Just one handful provides 7 grams of protein. Peanuts are a primary source of healthy fats, and studies have recognized their protein power by showing increased muscle mass and strength and decreased body fat. You can have peanuts as a snack. Add them to recipes like poha, flattened rice, or make peanut butter. Studies suggest that while consumption of non-vegetarian protein foods increases the risk of heart diseases in the long run, eating peanuts regularly lowers the risk of heart disease by 13%. However, don't overdo it with peanuts. Consuming 15 to 20 peanuts or 2 spoons of peanut butter a day is sufficient. How much protein do we really need? Ayurveda doesn't focus on macronutrients in isolation but rather on food digestibility. Since protein is relatively hard to digest, an obsession with high protein can harm the body. Modern studies vary, but one study stands out, the China study, which lasted around 22 years. It recommends that 5 to 10% of your daily calorie intake come from protein, which can easily be met with a regular American diet. For instance, a diet including 2 parathas with yogurt for breakfast, potato and pea curry with 3 chapatis for lunch, lentil soup with rice for dinner, and half a glass of milk at night will supply approximately 43 grams of protein, meeting the requirement. Of course, if your fitness goals demand more protein, you can always depend on these 5 protein gems. Incorporating these 5 vegetarian protein foods into your diet can significantly boost your protein intake, supporting muscle growth, repair, and overall health. They offer a variety of benefits, from improved digestion to enhanced strength and reduced disease risk. Embrace these foods for a healthier, more balanced diet.